Cebuana Lavalier has reached their 25th anniversary in the business, and the company is growing even more. That's why I am super proud to be part of Cebuana Lavalier as their endorser. In a way, I am also growing together with them. I hope that I will have more and more years of working relationship with Cebuana Lavalier.
Bababay ka lang sa kanila. Tapos, may eksena lang itong si Lola niya, siya, at saka si DJ, na pinombahan niya ng fire extinguisher. Opo. React ka lang.
The setup for today is, you're gonna see Sarah, as parang the neighborhood, parang friend na, she's still the friendly, smiley, and always there to help.
Position. Flower shot position. And action! Cut. Very good.
And in a way, this Addis kasi is very tongue-in-cheek humor eh. So she goes with that. Diba? Parang that's the other side of Sarah naman, apart from her lifestyle and glamour face.
Action!
Yung isa birthday ng lola niya, nagkataon yung lola niya, medyo malakas pa na mag-blow ng candle, medyo nasunog siya. And therefore, fire insurance yung tinatakal for that.
Crowd, action!
Kasi actually, very, very simple lang naman yung messaging niya. And the clients are very easy to work with. And we just kept it simple, na medyo humorous. Kasi nga, pera yung pinag-uusapan eh, diba? So it's about people's hard-earned money. So, parang ayaw mo nang pabigatin pa. So basically, we wanted to make light of it. And humor naman has worked for Cebuana in the past.
First, guys, position lang po tayo dito. Same lang. Guys, position. Mami. Backplate. Bro. Yeah.
Because when you look at the services of Cebuana Lavalier, hindi siya talaga ganun kasaya. Laging services namin is tumutulong sa ating mga customers. But sometimes, like for example, in the case of pawning, it is hard to let go of something of value to you. So when you do our commercial, wag na natin masyado pang dramahan yung madrama na talaga nagawain. So we have to make it lighter for our customers. That's why we have to always inject humor into our commercials.
Background action! Woo!
Yung may lead character, so nilulunod namin yan, sinusunog, tapos sinubaran, so medyo naawa na kami.
Action! Woo!
Actually, my first commercial was for a food supplement. It aired this March 2012. Pero ito yung pinaka-major ko na commercial na. So, syempre, since kasama ko ang record breaker, Sarah G. So, super excited na we're actually shooting pa. Sobrang excited ako na makita na yung final product.
With Sarah, hindi ko alam kung kinakabahan siya o giniginaw siya. Parang medyo na-starstruck siya. But medyo nagla-lighten up yung face niya pag nakita si Sarah. So, that helps a lot.
Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila. I mean, what you see on TV is what you get off cam. Sobrang bait, sobrang down to earth, and syempre sobrang ganda ni Sarah. Nakaka-starstruck talaga.
And action! 1, 2, 3, bam! Cut!